Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in the app, so tap your avatar in the top left to open your profile, then hit the gear icon to open settings. Once done, make sure Snapchat is updated because menu labels change with versions. You'll need access to permissions and notifications later, so be ready to grant or revoke. Now, scroll through settings to find privacy controls and content preferences. This is where Discover and Spotlight options live, and we'll adjust them in the next steps. Now you're in Content or Manage Preferences. Look for Discover, Spotlight, or Shows. Tap each section and toggle off anything labeled Show Discover, Featured Content, or Editor's Picks. These reduce the Discover feed. Once toggled, also disable autoplay for videos and turn off related notifications to prevent new content from reappearing in your feed. Make sure to confirm any save or back actions. Snapchat sometimes resets defaults after updates, so check both notification and permissions areas before moving on. Finish by closing Snapchat entirely and reopening it so your preference changes take effect. If Discover items still show, go back to Settings and clear the app cache. That often forces the interface to refresh. If toggles revert or options are missing, update the app or reinstall, then repeat the steps. App bugs or version differences cause most issues. Finally, if nothing works, check Snapchat help in settings for account-specific controls or reach out to support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.